the hills of Ri Khasi, where legends are born, mountains kiss the skies in the early morn. U Tirot Sing, with a heart so bold, fought for our freedom, stories retold. Oh, Ri Khasi, land of the brave, your spirit lives on through the battles we crave. From lush green forests to rivers so bright, your beauty and courage shining through the night. Oh, Kiang Nangbah, with valor so pure, against the oppressors he stood secure. With every strike, with every cry, he showed the world we'll never die. Oh, Ri Khasi, land of the brave, your spirit lives on through the battles we crave. From lush green forests to rivers so bright, your beauty and courage shining through the night. Phan Nonglait, a warrior queen, her strength in silence, a force unseen. She led her people with wisdom and grace. In every challenge, she found her place. Crystal clear waters and fields of green, valleys that echo with sight serene. Your natural splendor, a sight to behold. Stories of freedom in landscapes untold. Oh, Ri Khasi, land of the brave, your spirit lives on through the battles we crave. From lush green forests to rivers so bright, your beauty and courage shining through the night. So let us sing of the land so free, of heroes past and those yet to be. Ri Khasi, your legacy endures in every heart, forever yours.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.